He runs every morning.
He runs every morning.
She eats an apple every day.
She eats an apple every day.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
He writes stories in his notebook.
He writes stories in his notebook.
They read books at the library.
They read books at the library.
She sings beautifully.
She sings beautifully.
The children dance happily.
The children dance happily.
The dog jumps over the fence.
The dog jumps over the fence.
I sleep for 8 hours every night.
I sleep for 8 hours every night.
My mother cooks delicious meals.
My mother cooks delicious meals.
He cleans his room every Sunday.
He cleans his room every Sunday.
She draws cartoons in her sketchbook.
She draws cartoons in her sketchbook.
He drives to work every day.
He drives to work every day.
We swim in the lake during summer.
We swim in the lake during summer.
They talk about their favorite movies.
They talk about their favorite movies.
I listen to music while studying.
I listen to music while studying.
We watch a movie every weekend.
We watch a movie every weekend.
She opens the window for fresh air.
She opens the window for fresh air.
He closes the door softly.
He closes the door softly.
The baby laughs at the funny face.
The baby laughs at the funny face.
The baby cries when she's hungry.
The baby cries when she's hungry.
We walk to school together.
We walk to school together.
I buy groceries every Saturday.
I buy groceries every Saturday.
They sell vegetables at the market.
They sell vegetables at the market.
He throws the ball far.
He throws the ball far.
She catches the frisbee quickly.
She catches the frisbee quickly.
The teacher teaches math.
The teacher teaches math.
I learn new things every day.
I learn new things every day.
He builds houses for a living.
He builds houses for a living.
She breaks the glass by accident.
She breaks the glass by accident.
He fixes the broken computer.
He fixes the broken computer.
She paints beautiful landscapes.
She paints beautiful landscapes.
I cut vegetables for dinner.
I cut vegetables for dinner.
He washes his car every Sunday.
He washes his car every Sunday.
They climb the mountain together.
They climb the mountain together.
The kids play in the park.
The kids play in the park.
She draws portraits with charcoal.
She draws portraits with charcoal.
He pushes the cart down the aisle.
He pushes the cart down the aisle.
She pulls the door open.
She pulls the door open.
Please open the book to page 10.
Please open the book to page 10.